Hey guys, are you want to buy best power strip tower? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best power strip tower that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at AnnTane Power Strip Tower, this 1 OFT surge protector. Power Strip Tower is a versatile and efficient charging solution for any setup. With 12 AC outlets and 5 USB ports, including 2 USB-C. It can power up to 17 devices simultaneously, perfect for offices, dorms, or home use. The smart nightlight feature is touch-controlled with 3 brightness levels, making it a handy desk companion. Its compact tower design, 5.7x 3.5 in saves space while offering full functionality. The USB-C port ensures faster, more convenient phone charging. With 180OJ surge protection, overload, short circuit, and overcurrent protection, your valuable devices stay safe. The 10-foot extension cord gives flexibility, and the built-in switch automatically cuts off power during spikes, providing peace of mind. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, this power tower is a reliable all-in-one charging hub for modern tech users. Now our second product is PASSUS Surge Protector Power Strip Tower, the PASSUS Surge Protector Power Strip Tower is a powerful and reliable charging solution for modern households and offices. Featuring 12 AC outlets and 5 USB ports, including an 18W fast-charging USB-C. It can power up to 17 devices simultaneously, ideal for phones, tablets, laptops, TVs, and more. The PD18W USB-C port ensures your devices charge up to 30% faster, saving valuable time. Equipped with a 1 OFT OL-approved pure copper extension cord. It offers excellent reach and superior current capacity, 10A. The 180OJ surge protection and comprehensive safety features, including overload, short circuit, overvoltage, and lightning protection, ensure your electronics are always safe. Constructed with a fire-resistant PC shell rated up to 1382 and backed by FCC and CE certification, this vertical tower is both durable and compact. With excellent customer service and robust design, it's a smart addition to any workspace. Our third product is Beva Power Strip Tower, this heavy-duty surge protector power strip tower is a compact yet powerful solution for managing multiple devices. It features 12 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 1 USB-C, capable of handling wide voltage 100 V250V with a 1625W13A rating. The USB-C port delivers 5 volts, 3A, ensuring fast and efficient charging. Its vertical design saves space and keeps your desk tidy, perfect for office setups or dorm rooms. With 1.57-inch spacing between outlets, bulky plugs won't clash. The 1 OFT 100% pure copper extension cord and 45 flat plug add convenience and flexibility for tight spaces. Certified by FCC and protected by 700OJ surge protection. This tower shields your devices from surges, lightning, and overheating. The fireproof ABS plus PC material withstands up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit, and anti-slip feet provide extra stability. A reliable, space-saving, and safe charging hub for any tech-savvy space. Now, number 4. NVEESHOX Surge Protector Power Strip Tower, the NVEESHOX 12IN1. Surge Protector Power Strip Tower is a powerful, space-saving solution for home or office use. Featuring 8 AC outlets, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, it supports simultaneous charging for up to 12 devices. With 2.95 spacing between outlets, even bulky plugs fit without overlap. The 45 flat plug and ultra-thin 0.12 cord easily slide behind furniture, perfect for tight spaces. Smart USB-C ports auto-detect devices for fast charging, ideal for phones, tablets, and earbuds. Safety is top tier with 7-point protection, including overvoltage, surge, and fire resistance. A 6.5 feet flat extension cord wrapped in durable rubber ensures flexibility and energy efficiency. 2 independent switches let you cut power to sections separately, saving energy and improving control. Whether for your desk, dorm, or entertainment setup, this tower combines smart charging, robust safety, and sleek design with 24/7 customer support for peace of mind. And our last choice is Superdanny Power Strip Tower, the magnetic wireless charger power strip. Tower is a compact yet powerful charging hub built for modern multitasking, featuring 12 AC outlets for USB-A, 2 USB-C ports, and a 15W magnetic wireless charger on top. It provides efficient, clutter-free charging for all your devices. Simply place a compatible phone on top, and it magnetically aligns for fast, secure charging, designed with independent power switches on each layer. You can easily manage connected devices without wasting energy. Its dual voltage 110V2 40V and 105OJ surge protection make it safe and travel ready for global use. The vertical tower design and 6.5 feet retractable cord maximize space and minimize mess. Built-in overload and short-circuit protection, plus charging indicators, ensure peace of mind. Ideal for home, office, or travel, this smart tower combines functionality, efficiency, and safety in one sleek footprint. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.